What up, everybody? This is H2Hubb with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a test video for the Aquela 8.0 product. This product's passed all of our performance standards, and right now it is on our recommended products list. It is actually ranked as a diamond level product due to the fact of its ability to dissolve molecular hydrogen at a certain concentration, or I should say a certain milligram amount within a liter. And so you can look at our actual ranking and pretty much how that works at H2Hubb. And so, but in particular, this product dissolves anywhere between 7 to 10 pretty much milligrams per liter within 500 milliliters of water. And that would be ppm 7 to 10 ppm. So we're going to do a test video and go ahead and test it, and then that's it. So let me go ahead and start. The first thing you want to do is just shake it for 30 seconds. Give me, I guess, a little less or whatever, but you'll notice that this product will, over the course of 24 hours, as you put the sachet into it, that is going to produce a rather large air bubble or hydrogen bubble at the top. And then you want to get your materials ready. We'll just go ahead and test it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 96, 97, 98, 98, 99, 100. 100, that's 10 ppm. 101, 102, 103, 103, 104, 105, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. 110, so it's about 11 milligrams per liter. That is exceptional. There's not too many products on the market that can generate 11 milligrams per liter, and that's the reason for its diamond ranking. So this is the test video for the Aquela 8.0 from H2Hubb. You can, as I said, you can purchase this product at our recommendation list on H2Hubb, and you'll actually get an H2Hubb discount. So you'll get 10% off being able to purchase this product through us. And so we'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.